Welcome to Email Marketing Explained, your quick guide to understanding one of the most powerful digital marketing tools available today. This video is designed for small business owners, marketers, and anyone curious about how to effectively connect with their audience and drive sales through email. By the end, you'll grasp the core concepts of email marketing and why it's crucial for business growth. At its heart, email marketing is the practice of sending commercial messages to a group of people via email. It's a direct and personal way to communicate with your customers and prospects. Email marketing is vital because it allows for direct communication, builds relationships, and drives conversions. Unlike social media, you own your email list, making it a reliable and cost-effective channel for reaching your audience without algorithm changes or platform restrictions. The foundation of successful email marketing is a robust and engaged email list. But how do you get people to willingly give you their email address? Organic growth strategies are key. Think about using opt-in forms on your website, pop-ups, or dedicated landing pages. Offer something valuable in return, like a free ebook, a discount, or exclusive content. Always prioritize ethical list-building practices. This means getting explicit permission from subscribers. Never buy email lists. Focus on quality over quantity. A smaller, engaged list is far more valuable than a large, uninterested one. Once you have a list, the next step is to create emails that your subscribers actually want to open and read. This involves a blend of art and strategy. Your subject line is the gatekeeper of your email. It needs to be compelling enough to cut through the noise and make recipients click open. Inside the email, focus on engaging content that provides value, whether it's informative, entertaining, or problem-solving. Every email should have a clear call to action, CTA. Tell your readers exactly what you want them to do next, like shop now, read more, or download your guide. Personalization and segmentation are powerful tools. Address subscribers by name and segment your list based on demographics, past behavior, or interests. This allows you to send highly relevant content, making your emails feel more personal and less like mass communication. To scale your efforts and truly understand your email marketing performance, automation and analytics are indispensable. Setting up automated email flows for common customer journeys, like welcome sequences for new subscribers or abandoned cart reminders, can save you time and nurture leads effectively. These set it and forget it. Campaigns work for you 24/7. Tracking performance is crucial. Pay attention to open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and bounce rates. Use A/B testing to compare different subject lines, content, or CTAs. Analyzing these metrics allows you to optimize your campaigns for better results over time. To maximize your email marketing impact, always keep these best practices in mind. Consistency is key. Send emails regularly so your audience knows what to expect, but don't overwhelm them. Always deliver value. Whether it's exclusive content, special offers, or helpful information, make sure your emails are worth their time. Embrace A/B testing as a continuous improvement strategy. Small tweaks can lead to significant gains. Always be learning and adapting based on your data and audience feedback. So there you have it, a comprehensive yet concise look at email marketing. Remember, email marketing is a powerful tool for direct communication, building strong relationships, and driving conversions. It's a channel you own, providing stability and control in your marketing efforts. If you're ready to supercharge your business growth, start your email marketing journey today. It's an investment that truly pays off.